In my younger years, I also stood by the argument kahit sino pa ang manalo na presidente, vice-presidente, senador, congressman, mayor, etc. etc. Depende pa rin sa sarili natin ang magiging kinabukasan natin. That's what I believe in. And I also believe that na kung ipinanganak kang mahirap, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Kung mamamatay kang mahirap, okay, di kasalanan mo na yun. Yun ang lagi nating sinasabi in the past. Ganun. Totoo yun, guys. Perhaps ako, I even shared that principle to my students before sa mga kakontemporaries ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. For some time, it inspired me to work hard and be motivated to shape my future. To a certain extent, yes, it worked. Parang effective naman siya. Pwede, di ba? Parang ganun. Pero later on, guys, as I grew older, I realized that such belief are incomplete. Parang may kulang, di ba? Kasi social systems affect our social opportunities, guys. Government mechanisms influence our life aims. Personal striving must be amplified by social systems. Yan na ang paniniwala ko sa ngayon, guys. In the same way that social systems must be participated by a strong citizenry. Di ba? Nakukuha nyo bang ibig kong sabihin, guys? Kasi when social systems are weak, social opportunities are lessened. Nalilesen siya, nababawasan. When governmental mechanisms are inefficient, capability building is weakened, guys. So, personal dreams need social systems. Kaya for me, hindi sapat ang sabihin kahit sino pa ang maupo na presidente, vice-presidente, senador, congressman, mayor, etc., governor, o kanong personal mo pa rin namang effort kung ano ang gusto mong mangyayari sa buhay mo. Tama yun. Hindi yun mali. Pero for me, hindi yun sapat. Kasi political situation affects our life paths, opportunities, and capabilities, guys. Have you ever wondered why it seems easier to fulfill one's dream in a foreign land? Or have you ever wondered why the quality of life is higher in other countries? Di ba kayo nagtataka doon? The answer lies in the social and political systems instituted in those lands, sa mga bansang yun. Kaya for me, crucial bawat elections, guys. Hindi yan isang popularity contest. Hindi ito contest ng ating pagiging, ng ating regional affiliations na kung sino ang kababayan mo, kapitbahay mo, kamag-anak mo, yun ang iboboto mo. Mas malawak ang nakataya sa bawat pagboto natin. Mas malalim ang dahilan kung bakit tayo dapat pumili ng tama. The personal is intertwined with the political. Pakakaisipin nyo yan, guys. Our dreams needs social support. What I mean is, much is at stake, guys. Isang taon na lang or 11 months from now, pipili na naman tayo ng mga bagong iluluklok natin sa pwesto. Kaya wag na naman tayong sasabihin na naman natin after like months o nabudol ako. Guys, hindi pwedeng ganon. Hindi ito trial and error na kung ayaw mo, pwede mo na lang tanggalin basta-basta dyan sa mga pwesto nila. Matuto tayo. Be wise. Gamitin ang utak.